Anker, setting the industry benchmark for charging on the go. I present the Powercore Plus 26800, monster capacity that's filled to the brim with power. Aluminium alloy casing holds components that are capable of providing the fastest possible charging speed to any device. Using Qualcomm's advanced Quick Charge 3.0 technology, the Powercore Plus allows compatible devices to charge 85% faster, which means up to 8 hours of use from just 15 minutes of charging. Exclusive to Anker, Power IQ and voltage boost technologies combine to provide universal full-speed charging for non-quick charge devices, up to 2.4 amps per port. Powercore Plus 26800 is one of the world's highest capacity portable chargers with Quick Charge 3.0 technology already built in. It charges the iPhone 7 10 times, the Galaxy S7 over 7 times, or a 2015 MacBook more than 3 times. It also features USB-C portable charge with power delivery, a reversible connector that can provide an input or output charge. The power bank comes in a standard Anker branded box. I like their packaging because it's pretty minimal and not overly wasteful. When you open the box, you will find the power bank sitting on top of an interior box that houses the accessories. The version of the power bank that I received came packaged with one USB-C cable, micro USB cable, welcome guide, a customer service feedback card, and a mesh travel pouch.